Awesome, thank you. So we'll just make a quick sand castle shape. I want to make it at a slight angle so that it'll sit up on a beach. All right. Right. And so we can add a little drawbridge, like so. Just indent that a little bit so that we know where the drawbridge is. Smooth it out a tiny bit. I, in fact, have a little bit of black, so we'll fill that in right there, make the drawbridge. And that's a pretty boring sandcastle right now, so we'll just add some little details in. All right, we'll just add some windows. Grabbing a little bit more tan. My assistant here has also been diligently working on a sun. So it looks like that sun is all set, so I can bring that in. Ta-da! There we go. Alright, so you can make a sandcastle however you want. This is just how I'm thinking of making a sandcastle today. So you can add whatever towers or doors or windows and little details that you'd like. Add a couple little windows, just pressing it in with the shape of the tool. Again, you can just use a popsicle stick. There we go. Give it some castle texture, just drawing some lines across the front. Like so. All right, same thing here, just really quickly. All right, just adding some of those. The glitter gloves say thank you. All right, and so we have a sandcastle and a sun. So, thanks for joining me today. Bye.